First, engage the brake and rotate the seat to the parent-facing position. Next, slide the telescoping handlebar down to the lowest position. Now pull the triggers on both sides of the stroller frame and lower the handlebar down to the rear wheels. Next, pull the seat recline lever on the back of the seat and push the seat back down between the handlebars. Last, squeeze the release lever on the bottom of the frame above the basket to fold the bottom half of the stroller. Your stroller is now folded, and you can stow it or get on your way. Now, we'll show you how to unfold the stroller. First, squeeze the release lever on the bottom of the frame above the basket to unfold the bottom half of the stroller. Once you have released the lever, expand the basket out until you hear a click. Next, lift the stroller seat up until it locks into place. When unfolding the seat, the bumper bar will lay flat on the seat. Raise it up until it clicks into place. Now, raise the handlebar up until you hear a click. And last, adjust the footrest. Buckle your child into the stroller, unlock the brake, and start strolling.